Alright, a lot going on here. Soffit, shingles, bay, soffit, siding, and shingles on top. Got to replace a lot of plywood. It's not really lining up with our 3/4 plywood, so we just went over everything, screwed everything tight, threw in sister wood if we had to. Anything need to be beefed up. Under here we had to beef a little bit of this up, cut some out, plug it. Same thing with this side.
Okay, I'm here at 5908 Larchwood. You can see we've ripped all this, got it down to the clean wood everywhere. Now we're inspecting all wood. You can see we've had to run new ply all on the skirt here. We're also going to do the face of this deck. The same thing on the other side. And we're going to get these party boxes together now. Alright, here's the other side. You can see what I mean. All new wood up that. Alright, you can see everything has been all new plywooded. All the way up. Same thing on this side. All the way up. Same thing across the lid. You can see we've cleaned up the debris except this. You see everything up here with our supplies. More debris to go down. You can see everything's being swept and cleaned as we're up here.
Down here checking everything out. We got everything re-plywood and new 2x fascia. Ran our paper right up the wall, trying to think about water protection in every layer. We got our starting on the party box cap. Okay, we got our flashing, shingles. Our steps are on the bay, step flashing. Our dowel foam going on next. And we'll do another cap for the finish work. Got caps on our foam over our shingles. Rebuild party box. Shingles started.
Alright, you can see how our black flash comes up. That's all going to be part of our box. You can see the shingles are up. This is going to be soffit area. You can see we've step flashed up the angle. Folded over both sides so no leaks at the top. Same thing on this side. You can also see everything up here is cleaned up, placed in a neat pile. Everything else has been straightened up.
Okay, just trying to finish up some stuff here. Party boxes, soffit on, cap above the window. Ready for a K-gutter behind all the ladders and the pick. See, we got our sill flash on and our jam flashes go right over. Flash capping.
everything's been clear silicone against the box. Also up here, everything's been muck and fabric. You can see we also put a cap across here. Close that off. I showed earlier, everything's been sealed in. You can see with the mucking, I mean. Also across the back of this one. And same thing on this side. With the clear silicone coming up. Also all the box lid, everything's sealed in. Alright, continuing from the ground. You can see all the party boxes in place, the reverse flash has been put in, the caulk. Same thing over here with the boxes, reverse flash, caulk. You can see the box. Alright, continuing on, showing everything. Alright, you can see the gutter's also been screened. All the spout is in place, been all tied in, all the way down.